Okay, good evening, guys. So, welcome to our first class. The first thing we are going to do, we are replicating a flyer. So, let me bring in the flyer we are replicating tonight. So, yes, this is what we are replicating. So, first of all, we get the size. The size of this flyer is this is the size of the flyer. Okay, the ratio is 4.5. This is the size. Okay, this is the size of the flyer. So, the next thing we are going to do is to create the background. So, we are using this box. Do it like this. Okay, using gradient because it's a two color background. Tap on the plus, then this one I will tap on it, then I'll now tap on this one, then I'll now copy from the design itself. I'll click on this place, then click on OK, then OK. See it now, this is the color I just picked. Then I'll now click on this place to pick the second color. Okay, this is the second color. Sometimes it might not be as dark as supposed, so I'll just have to darken it more. Okay, so I drag this down, I drag this here, start it to be at the edge. Okay, this is it, this is the background. So I'll send the background to back, send it to back. Yep, background is back. Then I will lock the background. Okay, the next thing is to start typing our text. Let's do this. First of all, sachet. Okay, so I'm changing the text to white. Yeah, this is it. I'm using Montserrat and extra bold. Yeah, extra bold is fine. Then we'll do a copy, then we'll type makeup, makeup, then we are using one font for this design because the less the font, the beautiful the design. In a design, the minimum font to use is 2 to 3. If you should use more than that, the design will look crowded and end up not being beautiful. So use 2 to 3 fonts for professional flyers and the things you're going to be creating. So this is it. Okay, so get this way. Okay, this is it. Then we'll reduce the opacity to like, let's say 25, then the radius so that you can have this curve feel at the edge of the shape. So I'm going to add this. Okay, so I will do this. I think this, so we add stroke, just one, change the color of the stroke to white. Okay, so the next thing to write is home of beauty. I'll copy this makeup, copy, then I'll write home of beauty. So you have it. Okay, now copy it as well. Date it, opacity, change the color to this. So just like I told you that you can say copy from the original chart, then place it here. Reduce it a bit. And place it here. Okay. I'll bring that text in front. Bring the text in front and change the color combination I use for the background. Yeah. This. So this is the pattern. Since I'm using 1 point, these ones are this shape. I reduce it, change the color to this. Okay. I bring it. I'll increase it so that I can see what it's doing. I reduce it. Copy it. So, okay, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to add in this period. I'm going to get a circle. And I'm going to go to gradients. I'm going to go first. And this one, I'm going to click it and take it to transparent. I'm taking it to transparent, so there is nothing there, no color. Then here, I'll now change this to white. And this it. Transparent opacity is yeah, that's it. I think I like this color better. Let's see that. I just make it look like the original. Okay. So we are going to draw. I'm going to use my Max 2. Out. So this is Turn it like this. Changing the color to it and take it to back. Take it to back. I will now take this on top of the background and I'll now lock it. Okay, this is it. Then menu button. Okay, I'll be okay, I'm using this as the elastic. I'm using this. But for it to be able to, if I should tap like this to disappear, for me to be able to retain it and do it like this, I will lock it and it's still there. For now, it's still there, and I'll now unlock it. Then I can hide. I will now change the color to a very light purple. Okay, this light to give it a feel. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to bring in. Oh, I forgot. I'm bringing in the logo. Yeah, this is the logo I use. I'm erasing the white. Then the tolerance, I increase it a bit. I'll change the color to this. Okay, I'll reduce it. I'll place it here. Okay, then I think it's maybe just one thing. The flower and the background. I'm going to bring it up. Yeah, this is it. So I will be sending all the resources I need for this design. I'm still going to do erase color, tolerance, then I will reduce the opacity. Then I'll send it to back. Then I'll bring it up on top of the background. So it's inside the top of the background also. So I'm still going to reduce the opacity to like let's say 20, no, 18 is fine. 18 is fine. Okay, yeah, this is it. I didn't use so many colors, like so many things. It's just the simple design. And yeah, we are done with it. Okay, I will export. I'll click on save image. Okay, then we'll save our work. If you have not saved before, you just have to save it now. Save as project name, and I will save image. PNG is when I save it as PNG, it will be very very sharp. And when I use Ultra, it will be very very sharp. So this is how I normally use it. That in case I want to print it, it will be printable. Then I'll click on save to gallery. So okay, we've done this.